We are here now at corn farm, and right now we are going to harvest corn, and we are going to do fishing as well, swimming, and lots of stuff, so stay tuned. Cutie patootie eggplant. There's spider, darling. So these are the job of the horses here. So we're cooking some banana. Come here, my little farmer. Come. Ali. Good morning, Pips. We are here now at corn farm, and right now we are going to harvest corn, and we are going to do fishing as well, swimming, and lots of stuff, so stay tuned. Actually, this is not my first time corn harvesting, because I did corn harvesting before also. And here, this is the corn. Like, this is how you do it. Look at my uncle Tio, my mom's brother. So let's start. So as you can see, guys, this one is empty. Look, the rat eat this corn, and as well here, look, yeah, a few. And I see there's two. This one also, and this one, and this one. Wow. Also, guys, there's ants, as you can see, but that ant is like harmless ant. This one, yeah, as well here. They're just annoying, but they're harmless. So right now, I am wearing jacket. You have to wear jacket, and then long pants, and then some shoes, and some socks, because once this corn touches your body, it's gonna be so itchy. So you have to protect your body from the itchy, because it's super itchy and makes your skin red. And of course, if you have some hoodie, you can wear some hoodie. After you remove this corn, you have to knock down. Oh, the corn looks like this. You have to knock down the branches. This one. Knock down. I am with my sister and my uncle. If you haven't done this kind of harvesting, it's actually fun.
Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do. It's hopeless too.
I knocked down so many. And by the way, guys, from planting this corn to harvesting, it's gonna take 3 to 4 months. And be careful not to touch your face with these leaves, because it's gonna be itchy for you. I am so hungry. Let's continue. Fresh air, but I'm sweating.
I've tried to let you go. Memories, they tend to stay. Doesn't matter anyway, 'cause it won't be you and me.
So after you knock down some of those, you have to peel this sweet corn, and then do like this. Like that. And then all of these, they're gonna do same as like this. And then this one is kinda wet still, so they're gonna dry it using the sun. And then after that, they're gonna send it to crushing machine, something like corn meal. No, I think that's corn. Yeah, turn to corn beef. No, not corn grits. It will it will turn to corn grits. This one, yeah, they have machine here. You have to pay also if you make this one like a corn grits. You have to pay. I think that's per bag or per kilo. I think per kilo is how much? Tiyo, pilay bayad kinilo sa pagaling?
Kuan man na sinako man.
Tres? Yeah. 3 pesos for
1
if you
kilo.
want to pay the cornmeal. To make this one corn grits is 3 pesos per kilo. All they have to do is do like this and then dry in the sun. And then go to cornmeal and then it's gonna be corn grits and this is gonna be the rice. So we have other things to do. My auntie is gonna finish this harvesting and we are going to do fishing and then swimming. Let's go. So uncle is wearing some jeans and some shoes. Some jacket too. And then Cici also here.
Model of the corn. For today's vlog, I'm the model.
I'm the model. They also have some other vegetables they plant here. This is gabi. They also have here some vegetables. And this is kamote tops. The red one. These, yeah. Those are the kamote tops. And I can see the eggplant. Look at that. And further there, there's sweet corn, green kind of corn. There earlier we went to is ready for harvest. Cutie patootie eggplant. This one's very hard to peel, guys. There's spider, darling. Saktura. Dadun mo sa bahay. The younger one is at the bottom. I mean the older one is the bottom, which is a good one. And then the younger one is at the top. Pero okay naman, pikason lang guro ni mo daan. Tapos ayan ni mo, pikas-pikason. Okay, bye. By the way guys, this area right here in my background, my auntie and uncle didn't own this land. They asked the owner to use this land as their garden or for farming, and then the owner agreed with this farming because, you know, if I own this land also, I would actually let them plant because this way the coconut, and because the owner of this land wants only the coconut, but they don't want the land or do farming in it. So my auntie, which is this house, this one, my auntie was actually do farming in here with vegetables and corns so that they can use the land and it's not wasted, right? And also it makes the land clean. Like for example, this one, the area that there's garden, it's clean. If no one's cleaning the land, it's gonna be like tall grass, like so tall grass. So it's better to do it that way. So these are the job of the horses here. That's with coconut, like cupras. The one that I showed you with coconut harvesting before. Since they don't have transportation, that's their transportation. And the carrier for the cupras, it's kind of heavy, guys. And the horse is kind of small. That's the uses of horses here. Yeah, so we are going to walk to the swimming area right now. And the kids are in the car and then we're walking because it's pretty close anyway. And I want to do some walking. It's a bit tricky here. As you can see, there's a lot of rocks. It's a very rocky road. This is the path that we are taking right now. And then the car passed this. And it's a bit tricky because it's gonna be slippery. And it's gonna be tricky for us because it's wet also. Hi! Where are we going? How can we pass if that's all wet? Okay, so here, and then here. Ta-da! I like this kind of adventure, guys. I hope you guys like this kind of adventure too. Oh my god, so this is the tricky path of the car earlier. And if you remember, guys, that Ready Teddy also stuck in here and it was actually in this side. That's the path that my truck went through earlier. My gulay. And another tricky path here. And there's water! Yay! Oh, it's not clear water. I think this is a different one, guys. We're going to a clear water and we're going to pass this area right now. And then dad was trying to fix the path. Hi, baby. Hi, my little farmer. Oh my gosh. Hi, my little farmer. I remember Samantha before was like this old when we walked to Talambo at the mountain area. I will show you some clips if I find one. Ay! Oh my gosh, this is maarte because wala man ka nag-jacket. You need to wear jacket, Sophia. I'm carrying this stuff right here. Ah! My little farmer! So we have here some cassava. This is boiled cassava. It's ready for eat.
Kasi nakadire, nagkuanan ni kabuting kahoy.
Ooh. So we have two duyan here, which is Sophia is sleeping. And here, that's by the way hammock. And here, what's that mo? Two kiddos and one adult. Tulog na, tulog na, tulog na. Dili oyogon?
Hindi man.
Oh. Oh, this is a shade. Coconut shade. Di ni matumba? Ay noon, kung matumba siya, makuan nun adto ra. Di naman. Puro na. Tara. We have these coconut leaves that covers Sophia from the sun.
Dali ka nahigit ng ko na ko.
Nalubog. Sleeping beauties. So we're cooking some banana. We are making That's their local slide, guys. Look. Nalubot man. Mommy's drinking tuba beer. I have beets. Ako inihot doon?
Hindi ko sa ponyo. Kapit man.
Ay. Yeah, I am so hungry right now. So the tuba makes this one, my throat down to my intestine. It's a bit like hot. Yeah, because it's alcohol. But this is, I guess, only 6% alcohol or 7 something.
I've tried to let you go. Memories they tend to stay. Doesn't matter anyway. 'Cause it won't be you and me. Now I'm just waiting for love. Waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. You said you had to go away. Just figure out who you are.
Ayun na sakit. Pero doon sa higit. So you need banana, bought some raw fish.
Yang baligya, itlog ng pudukurin. Yan na gano'n, itlog.
Lapit to sa bahay.
Ito na. Sayang na rin kasi gahapon na lang.
Anong daso na? May kanong daso.
This is how you drink when you don't have glass. Cup. Adik kaigo ra day kara. Tugad ra ka. Kurusi na ay. Courier buyag. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.